Mr. Mayor, members of the council, ladies and gentlemen. I had vowed I wasn't going to speak tonight, but unfortunately here I am, so my apologies in advance. I'm a Burbank resident. I moved here 15 years ago, and I moved right off of the Chandler Bike Path because I was very excited about that initiative, and it has borne fruit. And I've seen it struggle over the last 15 years with its identity, because it was initially intended to be a commuter path, and then you had residents who came and, as previous speakers have mentioned, were walking their dogs, teaching their children how to ride bicycles, etc. That is the nature of urban development. And we have 81% of Americans living in cities today. And urbanization and city growth is an inevitable reality. And you and we residents have two options. We can either keep saying no change, but the change will happen, and we will therefore be subject to it, or we can recognize that that change is inevitable, and we can manage it, be owners of the change, and protect the things that are important to us. And I believe that we are not actually in opposition when we dig down into what's really important to us. Those who ask for these initiatives, whether it be the Verdugo bike lanes, the Chandler bike path, the closure between Mariposa and Victory of the bike path, or this Channel Bikeway, those who are against it and say no change are asking for the quality of life and the things they love about Burbank not to change. Those who are asking for these initiatives to be manifest are asking for the same thing. They're asking for protection of the things they love about Burbank, the community, the connectivity of the people to each other, the quote-unquote small-town feel, the sense that we live in a community. And when we think about that, we need to pull back and realize that we are one community, and we need to look at the 2003 Bicycle Master Plan and seek to implement it more aggressively so we can be more connected, because I also do not like these bikeways to nowhere. They should be better connected to each other so that bicyclists, pedestrians, families, and the larger Burbank community can recognize that it is one community, that it can move safely from small neighborhood to small neighborhood, from shopping area to work area, and that commuters who may live outside our community can get to work in our community so that more businesses can come down here. Because historically, over the past 10 years, I personally have seen more than 15 businesses in Northern California and on the East Coast seeking to move into Southern California, decide not to move into Burbank, having considered it specifically because it did not have easy accessibility of 1 mile or less for people who wanted to live in the city, and easy alternative multimodal transportation accessibility for those who wanted to commute. And so we need to consider the larger picture of why these initiatives exist. And I believe firmly that it is because we care about this community, we want to protect it, facing the inevitability of change and urbanization, and we want to make sure that the things that matter about Burbank, which is this community, which is the walkability, the livability, the good health, all of these things are protected. And we recognize that, as Mr. Hempel mentioned, we cannot avoid the fact that more and more cars is something that is no longer sustainable. So I strongly urge you to adopt this measure and to not stop here, but become more aggressive in ensuring that our community is protected as more people inevitably move into the Southern California area. Thank you.
Thank you.